Say goodbye to network slowdowns and outages. At Keytel Systems, our 24/7 network support keeps your business connected, protected, and performing at full speed, day or night. Our network support delivers high performance and scalability with a compliance-first design, engineered to grow with you and meet even the toughest enterprise demands. No more spaghetti cabling or mystery wiring. We deliver clean installs with structured cabling and scalable designs, so your infrastructure is clear, organized, and future-proof. Get eyes on everything. With real-time monitoring and proactive diagnostics, we stop small issues before they become big ones. Full control, total insight, zero guesswork. Dead zones? Not on our watch. We engineer wall-to-wall wireless that's fast, reliable, and ready for high-demand environments. Your Wi-Fi should just work. With over 7,500 end users supported, a 98.24% customer satisfaction rating, and 41+ years in business, Keytel Systems is the network partner built to support your growth. See what our clients are raving about? Keytel's network support has transformed their connectivity, reliability, and peace of mind. Here's what they're saying about us. Connectivity isn't optional. It's mission critical. Reach out to Keytel Systems today and let our network support team future-proof your business from the inside out.